cinnamon bun, $1, not actual size.
We're here at the largest IKEA.
Yeah, we're gonna have dinner here tonight.
Yep, Swedish meatballs.
They have police out here guiding traffic. Look at those insane lines. And all of these parking spaces. Plus there's a lower level. This place is huge. That's the food line. It's about
crazy.
an hour to get through to get Swedish meatballs.
Yeah, so maybe we won't be getting them today.
We're not eating IKEA today.
No, not today. We'll have to come back.
This place is 450,000 square feet. This place is like 3 times the size of your average Costco. Nobody cares that I'm talking loud into a camera.
I feel like I could just move in here. We're there.
We've been here for 4 hours and we've only made it to 7.
4 hours.
This place was built on 22 acres. It takes about 2,000 steps to walk this entire store. So another 4 hours later, and we've only made it to
There.
to 17. I'm starving.
I'm pretty hungry too.
I'm a little over this.
Yeah,
It's neat, but
it's neat, really big, but it's very crowded.
hungry.
Starving. That's so cool. Look at the big one. He's shiny. It's like the Death Star. Kind of creepy. The warehouse.
gonna get dizzy.
Cinnamon bun, $1, not actual size.
That would be pretty epic though. A
Even
bun that
for
big,
$10 that would be.
pretty epic.
Yeah. This is the actual cinnamon bun size. So what did you do today?
I was insanely busy today, and I didn't shoot much of anything. I did stop and visit some giant river otters. Chatty Cathy. Isn't he cute?
They are. That noise they make is so funny.
I know.
What's up with that?
When you get them all going, the family group, in an enclosed space, oh, it's deafening.
Oh, really?
And then I did my workout. Whoa. I got today's workout in, and I've got this nifty new Polar Pro selfie stick / tripod / I know that there's a word for it and I can't think of it at the moment, but got my workout in. It was really good. I think I really like this new tool. So yeah, got it in. Yay. And how was your day?
We're back to this again. As you know, my day was epic. I'm up a pound. It's because I had Jack in a Box last night. An ultimate cheeseburger and fries. And I gain a pound. I knew that burger would affect me. I was hoping it wouldn't. I knew it would. You always hope that it doesn't. These are our old dishes. And some old clothes. After I ate that burger, I felt great. But like an hour later, it just started sitting with me. And as the night went on, I felt more and more bloated. I still feel bloated now. There's a Starbucks right there. That would sure be an awesome reward after donating to the Salvation Army. It's a beautiful day. I have no idea why I'm wearing pants. Oh yeah, we are going for a long walk today. Look, I know some of you think I'm skinny, and some of you think I'm fat and look nothing like Zac Efron. That's mean. But that's not the point. The point is I gained a pound. I'm pretty average probably, and if a burger affects me that way, how does it affect you? So, in one day for eating a burger and fries, I gained a pound. Now, I would have lost a half a pound a day over the next 2 days. So it's gonna take me 2 days to lose this pound, plus 2 days to get back on track. So this one burger cost me 5 days. That's crazy. Dog walk, 2.74 miles at a 25:34 pace. Pretty slow pace, but that's because I let the dog stop and sniff the roses. 20. Really, when I think about it, that burger cost more than 5 pounds because 5 days from now, I would have been on a track to being 2.5 pounds lighter, and replacing that burger, I'm really back on track of just being 1 pound lighter, so I'm still 1.5 pounds off, so, like, it never comes back. Holy sh**! I did it! Holy... Oh my god! I don't have any of this ready! Ah. I did it! I did it! I actually did it! Oh my god! My arm hurts. Oh my god! I did it!
Yay! Good job! Yay!
Wow! I don't. Was it the? Maybe it's the burger. Was it the push-ups? That's awesome.
Tell the share.